Industry expert Bob White offers his high-level view of trends and opportunities in the fleet market today.
I have to say that if we sit here in the middle of 2021, in the last year plus is something none of us have ever experienced. So to think about challenges and opportunities today is radically different than anything we've done, I think, in all of our careers. But there are some interesting trends that have come out, certainly from an opportunity standpoint and from a challenge standpoint. Within the fleet management space, well, I would tell you as a business leader, one of the first things that we focused on, and I'm sure most business leaders were in the same position, was really thinking about liquidity and cash flow as we went through the pandemic. But that's opened up some different discussions within our organization and with others, and making sure people have robust and flexible options for liquidity. So whether that's customers who haven't leased before and begin to lease today in order to use your capital in more core business areas, looking for ways to monetize their fleet through purchase leaseback programs and ways to take advantage of the asset values that they have, or just looking at restructuring some of their lease programs. So there's been some opportunities around that, and just making sure that people have the cash to continue to operate their business and invest in the things that are most important to that. Certainly sitting here today, data is no less important than it's ever been, and I think that's just continuing to grow. But it's more than data. I think people are looking to not so much look at the past, but understand the data within their organization to make better informed decisions about what's happening today and what will happen tomorrow. So analytical data, combining the data with expertise to really work more closely with our customers. There are challenges, and all of our customers expect us to do that. And it certainly creates opportunities for us to create a higher value proposition in our space. And then I think the last area, which we're all pretty familiar with in terms of some of the disruptions, comes around technology. We talk about data and whether it's connected vehicles through telematics and the amount of data and opportunities that opens up. But certainly as we're seeing more alternative fuel, electrification is coming, and I think we'll see that become a much bigger piece of the fleet space in the next couple of years as that grows. And in the short term, I think probably the biggest challenge everybody has is just around supply chain. And certainly there's supply chain disruptions through many industries throughout the economy, but specifically within the automotive space. We're going to see that here, I would think, at least through the remainder of this year and likely into 2022. So working with our customers to navigate some of those supply constraints and coming up with solutions so they can continue to perform their core business functions is something that we see as something that we're going to be working with all of our customers here in the short term.